Hi kids, and welcome back to the English class. Today we are going to continue with the chapter different kinds of pronouns, and you have to be ready with the worksheet page number 100. This is the last page of this chapter. Okay, I hope all are ready with. So as always, we'll just recall what we have learned in the last session. Okay, it was about the second division of pronouns, isn't it? The second division of pronouns, and it is the pronoun which shows belonging. The pronouns which shows belonging. They have told they are also called as, yes, possessive adjectives. So they are possessive adjectives or the pronouns which shows belonging. So which are the pronouns which shows belonging? Yes. Which are they? My, then your, okay, then her, his, its, likewise. Okay, very good children. Okay. Now again we are going to start with the third division of the pronoun, and it is the pronouns which shows ownership. The pronouns which shows ownership. Okay. So the pronouns which shows ownership are also called as possessive pronouns. Am I clear? The pronouns which shows ownership are also called as possessive pronouns. Just we'll highlight. Okay. Pronouns which shows ownership are called possessive pronouns. Okay. So when you use this possessive pronouns or the pronouns which shows ownership, remember possessive pronouns do not come before a noun. So this is the difference between the pronouns which shows belonging and the pronouns which shows ownership. So there is a difference between the pronouns which shows belonging and the pronouns which shows ownership. Okay, so the difference is the pronouns, possessive pronouns or the pronouns which shows ownership do not come before a noun. So in the previous class we have learned in the pronouns which shows belonging always comes before a noun or before a noun with adjective. Here in these pronouns which shows ownership never comes before a noun. Never comes before a noun. So always keep in mind possessive pronouns do not come before a noun. They stand alone. They are single. They stand alone. Am I clear? So this is the main difference between the pronouns which shows belonging with the pronouns which shows ownership. Okay. The pronouns which shows belonging always comes before a noun or before a noun with adjective, isn't it? Here in this case the pronouns which shows ownership, they never come before a noun. It is replaced. It is replaced. Do you understand? Which means the noun, instead of noun we use this. Okay. It never comes before a noun. It takes the place of the noun. Am I clear? It never comes before a noun. It always takes the place of a noun. The place is stolen by this possessive pronouns. Am I clear? So this possessive pronouns never comes before a noun. Instead, they take the place of the noun. Do you understand? Okay, so never use noun before a noun. The possessive pronouns should not be used before a noun. So by looking into the examples, it will be more clear for you. Okay, so shall we move on? So these are the examples. The first one is, this cat is mine. This cat is mine. And here you can see which is the word that shows ownership. Yeah, here it is, mine. And its tail is fluffy. Its tail is fluffy. You can see the picture. The cat's tail is fluffy, isn't it? So its tail is fluffy. So here which is the sentence which shows ownership? Its. cats. So instead of using the cat, it has taken the place of the noun. Its tail is fluffy. Instead of using the noun, we have replaced the noun with a pronoun. It's never used before a noun. It is replaced by a pronoun which shows ownership. Its tail is fluffy. Am I clear? Okay, very good. Again, the next one is that bicycle yours? Is that bicycle yours? There, which is the pronoun used? Yours, which shows they are asking, is that yours? Belongs to you. Then it shows the ownership. So here it is yours. And again, this ball is his. This ball is his. So here, his is the pronoun which shows ownership. Whose ball is this? This ball is his. Okay. And again, that house is theirs. That house is theirs. Here, which is the pronoun which shows belonging or which shows ownership? Sure, it is theirs. Their is the pronoun which shows belonging, and theirs is the pronoun which shows ownership. Okay, it confirms that it belongs to someone. So, which means it shows the ownership. It is owned by somebody. Okay, so that house is theirs. Theirs is the pronoun which is used instead of noun, and this shows ownership. Am I clear? Okay. The next one is that car is ours. That car is ours. Here you are using ours instead of nouns, isn't it? Instead of a group of people, we are using ours. So here it is a pronoun which shows ownership. The last one, that frock is hers. That frock is hers. Okay, here which is the pronoun which shows ownership? Yeah, it is hers. So all these pronouns, mine, it, yours, his, theirs, ours and hers, all these shows ownership. Okay, it is owned by somebody. Okay, so such pronouns are known as possessive pronouns. Am I clear? Such pronouns are known as possessive pronouns, and it never comes before a noun. That is the difference between the pronouns which shows belonging. Am I clear? So these pronouns never comes before a noun. Instead, they take the place of a noun. They have stolen the place of a noun. Am I clear? Okay, so take the position of a noun. That car is ours. That house is theirs. Is that bicycle yours? And this ball is his. And that cat is mine. So in all these sentences, it shows, these pronouns shows the ownership. So such pronouns are known as possessive pronouns. I hope it is clear. So we will move to the activities in page number 100. Page number 100. Okay. I bought a new video game. It is dash. So I bought a new video game, and here I is the pronoun used. So here which is the pronoun, which is the possessive pronoun, or which is the pronoun which shows ownership, which has to be used? Can you tell me, children? Yes, surely it is mine, because I is used. So here you have to write mine. Okay, am I clear? The next one, Robin and Dash brother are here to play. Robin and, so it is about Robin's brother. So it is his brother. Very good. His brother. Again, this room belongs to my sisters. This room belongs to my sisters. This room is, so my sisters means it is two children, which means a group. So it has to be, what has to be the answer? Yes, sure, it is deers. Deers. Okay. This is a beautiful doll. Dash eyes are big and blue. So we are talking about a beautiful doll. So you have to replace doll. So what has to be used in ownership? The pronouns which shows ownership is its. Its eyes are big and blue. Okay. Again, it is your pencil. That pencil is, you know it, yours. Okay. The next one, it is our pens. These pens are ours. Okay, the next one, it is her cat. That cat is hers. Okay, in all the sentence, so keep in mind, if it is I in the first sentence, then surely the pronoun which shows ownership will be mine. If it is belonging, it is my, isn't it? So when it comes to the pronouns which shows ownership, you have to make it mine. Okay. So likewise the second one, Robin and Dash brother. So here it remains the same. His will not become his. It is his. It remains the same. His. In belonging also it is his. Here also it is his. Am I clear? So Robin and his brother are here to play. Never changes. Okay. This room belongs to my sisters and this room is theirs. In belonging, the pronouns which shows belonging, it is their, and if the pronoun shows ownership, it becomes theirs. Okay. If there are more than one, if you are talking about a group of people. Okay. So in the pronouns which shows belonging, we said it is their, isn't it? Here it is theirs. Am I clear? Okay. Now again, this is a beautiful doll. Dash eyes are big and blue. So here also it doesn't change. It's. Again, in the pronouns which shows belonging also we are using its. Am I clear? And here also it is the same. Its. Which shows ownership also remains the same. Its. So if you are talking about a thing, you have to use it, which shows ownership and which shows belonging, which remains the same. Okay, it does not change. Again, it is your pencil. Your becomes yours. Your become yours. In belonging, it is just your. You becomes your. Again, here it is just yours. Okay, your become yours. Again, it is our pens. These pens are ours. It is our pen. These pens are ours. So here it is ours. Our become ours. Am I clear? Okay. And it is her cat. It is her cat. That cat is hers. Here in pronouns belonging, which shows belonging, it becomes her. And in pronouns which shows ownership, it becomes hers, as is added. Okay. So I hope it is clear. Once again I will tell you, I bought a new video game. It is mine. It is mine. Here I becomes mine. And Robin is the name of a boy and we are talking about his brother. So this remains the same in both belonging and both ownership. So it remains the same. And this room belongs to my sisters. This room is theirs. So here their become theirs. This is a beautiful doll. Its eyes are big and blue. Here its remains the same. It's in both it is its. Again, it is your pencil. That pencil is yours. Here your become yours. And again, it is our pens. These pens are ours. It is our pen. These pens are ours. Okay. So ours. It is her cat. That cat is hers. Here her becomes hers. So that is the main difference. Don't forget the main difference between the pronouns which shows belonging and the pronouns which shows ownership is that the pronouns which shows belonging always comes before the noun or before the noun with adjective. But here the pronouns which shows ownership, it never comes before a noun, instead it takes the place of a noun, or it is used instead of the noun. They stand alone. Am I clear? So I hope this is clear. So kindly, as I told in the previous videos also, kindly watch the video several times and do more activities. Okay, we have given the worksheets and sometimes it may not be enough for you. Depends, it varies among children. Each individual is different. So kindly get more activities. Ask your parents to get more activities related to this topic and make sure that you do it. Practice it over and over. Okay, then only this concept becomes thorough in your mind. Okay, I hope all of you will obey me and will do the same. Okay, so be good children and do good. Thank you, and thank you for your time.